This video will show you how to make a tool in Roblox. I'm going to make a cardboard box tool for this video. First, design your tool by inserting parts and manipulating them with the Select, Move, Scale and Rotate tools. You can also add colour and material in the Properties panel. Once you've created your parts, insert one more and name it Handle with a capital H. Using the Scale tool, set the size of the handle to be small and set the transparency to 1. This part will determine where the player holds the tool. Drag it to the bottom of the box or wherever you want the player to hold the tool if you're creating a different tool. Click on the plus icon next to the workspace and insert a tool. Select all of your parts which you just created and drag them inside your tool. Then make sure their anchored property is unchecked. We now need to weld all of the parts so that the box does not fall apart when equipped. Click the plus icon on the handle and insert a weld constraint. Set the part 0 property to the handle. Set the part 1 property to one of the other parts. Repeat this until you've set up weld constraints which connect the handle to every other part. Make sure part 0 is the handle on every weld. Now ensure that your tool is the correct size relative to a Roblox character. You can do this by inserting an NPC via the Plugins Rig Builder menu, or by inserting an NPC from the toolbox. Drag the tool into the starter pack and then click the play button. Click the tool in the toolbar or press 1 to equip it.